Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Claude AI for language learning and practice. If you are using Claude AI and you want to learn any language or if you want to practice for any other language you want to learn, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and your PC and go to Claude AI. You have to make sure that you're logged into your account and you can start it with a new conversation or you can also try to any of your previous conversation. Now here what you have to do if you are trying to learning any language, so you can simply ask the Claude AI that I want to learn. Let's say I'm gonna search for Spanish, so I want to learn Spanish language. And now help me, how can I do this? Or if you have some knowledge of Spanish and now you want to practice this, so you can simply create a scenario and then you can easily practice this. For as an example, I have a simple prompt here. So you can see act as a native Spanish speaker. So it means that Claude will act just a native Spanish speaker and then have a conversation with me. So Claudia is has having a conversation with me, and then about ordering food at a restaurant. I'm going to about order a food, and I have a I'm having a conversation with Claude AI. Now it will correct my mistakes after each reply and explain what. So you just have to click on the submit option. Now it will act as Spanish. You can practice your language how much you want to. So in this way, you can easily learn or practice for any language using Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.